We're getting Reuben set up for his first bike ride. Riding in the Burley.
There's no way he can come out, right?
No. Reuben's first bike ride. Set up in the Burley back there. And this is Colleen's first bike ride since giving birth to little Reuben. We're
gonna go nice and slow.
Going
He's in his car seat.
Dairy Queen. He's bundled up in his new rumple blanket. He is so excited.
Looks very content.
We are so excited.
Yes.
Here we go. So far. Yeah. We made it. We're gonna get ice cream. Mom's going to get ice cream. Too bad you can't have anybody. Doing tremendous speed. We got our ice cream. We made it back. Yay! Good job, buddy.
Yeah!
All for the ice cream and for your first ride.